I am Mohammed Khaled Zubair. I made this video for all. Lemon poached chicken with lots of roasted garlic. This is a dish from rural France. Don't be put off by the quantity of garlic. When roasted it becomes very sweet and loses its pungency. 2 tablespoons olive oil, chicken thighs, drumsticks, and chicken breasts, skin on, enough for 4 people. 20 garlic cloves, unpeeled 1 glass dry white wine, zest of 2 lemons, juice of 1 lemon, sprig of thyme, 2 leaves, sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. 500 milliliters chicken stock, preferable homemade. 1 French baguette. 20 flat parsley leaves. A great way to eat, just roll up your sleeves and get stuck in. This dish can be made with a whole chicken in much the same way, but you will need more wine and stock and will have to cook the meat for longer. Lemon diet heat a heavy, bottomed casserole pan over a medium-high heat. Add the olive oil and the chicken pieces. Skin side down, to cover the bottom of the pan. If the chicken won't fit in one layer, you will have to cook it in 2 batches. Cook for about 4 minutes on each side until golden brown. Lemon juice diet. Add the garlic cloves. Tip off any excess oil. Add the wine to the pan and cook for 2 minutes until reduced. Lemon detox diet. Add the lemon zest and juice, thyme and bay leaves. Season well with salt and pepper. Add the stock. Cover the pan with the lid and turn down the heat. Gently simmer for 20 minutes. After this time, check to see that the chicken is cooked by inserting a small sharp knife into the chicken flesh, just by the bone. If the juice runs clear, then the meat is done. If the juice is still pink, then cook for a little more time. Check the seasoning and adjust accordingly with salt and pepper. Transfer to a serving dish. Roughly chop the parsley and scatter over the top. Cut the French bread into slices and toast them. Place the slices of toast in bowl alongside the chicken. Let each person squeeze the soft garlic out of its papery skin onto the pieces of toast, which can then be used to soak up the juice. Chicken tortilla dump dinner. Total, 55 minutes active, 20 minutes yield, 6 to 8 servings. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon canola oil, 2 ounce cans diced tomatoes with chilies, such as Rotel, 1 cup chicken broth, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/2 kosher salt, 1 15.5 ounce can black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 10-ounce bag frozen corn, 5 cups shredded cooked chicken, from about 1 small rotisserie chicken, 12 small corn tortillas, cut into quarters, 1/8-ounce block Monterey Jack cheese, shredded, about 2 cups, 1/2 cup sour cream, 1/3 cup diced red onion, 1/3 cup loosely packed fresh cilantro, chopped. Directions: 1. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F. Over heat. Brush a 9 by 13-inch casserole dish with the oil. 2. Stir together the diced tomatoes with chilies, chicken broth, chili powder, cumin and salt in a large bowl. Add the black beans, frozen corn, chicken, tortilla wedges and half the cheese and stir to evenly distribute and moisten all of the ingredients. Transfer to the prepared casserole dish and spread into an even layer. Loosely cover with aluminum foil and bake for 25 minutes. 3. Raise the oven temperature to 400 degrees F. Over heat. Remove the foil and sprinkle the top with the remaining cheese. Continue to bake until the cheese is melted and just starting to brown, about 10 minutes. Top with dollops of sour cream and sprinkle with the red onion and cilantro. Serve hot. Instant pot chicken and dumpling. Total, 40 minutes. Active, 30 minutes. Yield, 4 servings. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 3/4 cups plus 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper, 1 cup whole milk, at room temperature, 1 small onion, chopped to medium celery stalks, chopped 2 medium carrots, chopped 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 tablespoon fresh thyme leaves, 2 cups chicken stock, 1/2 cup dry white wine, 1/2 pounds boneless skinless chicken breasts, cut into 1-inch pieces, 1 cup frozen peas, 1/4 cup chopped fresh flat leaf parsley. Directions: special equipment, a 6 or 8 quart instant pot multi-cooker. 1. Melt 2 tablespoons butter in a small skillet on the stovetop or in the microwave. 2. Mix together the baking powder, 3/4 cups flour and a pinch of salt in a medium bowl. Stir in the milk and melted butter until well combined. Set the dough aside. 3. Set the 6-quart instant pot to saute. See cook's note. Add the remaining 2 tablespoons butter and melt, stirring constantly so it doesn't burn, about 1 minute. Add the onion, celery, carrots and a pinch of salt and cook, stirring occasionally, until translucent and softened, 3 to 4 minutes. Add the garlic and cook until softened, 2 to 3 minutes. Stir in the thyme and remaining 2 tablespoons flour until well combined, about 1 minute. Pour in the chicken stock and wine and stir. Add the chicken, peas, 1/2 tablespoon salt and a few grinds of black pepper and turn the pot off. 4. Carefully drop the dough in 2 tablespoon-sized mounds into the pot, spacing evenly. You should have about 9 dumplings, and prepare the cook. Set the pot to pressure cook on high for 3 minutes. After the pressure cook cycle is complete, and wait until the quick release cycle is complete. Be careful of any remaining steam and unlock and remove the lid. Spoon the dumplings and soup into bowls and sprinkle with the parsley. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel name, Khaled Zubair.